So hi students, today we are going to discuss about the Constitution of India, which is the most important subject for degree students, which is having up to 50 marks in any exam. And this video is about the 50 choose the correct answers based on our model paper and also some correct answers, and the correct answers are made in a bold version. Okay, so let's start our video. When was the Constitution of India adopted? 26th November 1949 is the right answer. What does the term sovereignty mean? It means supreme power of authority. And which term is the preamble signifies that there is no state religion? Secular. Fourth one. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the father of Indian Constitution. And fifth question. What is the main aim of the preamble of the Constitution? To provide justice and liberty, equality, and also fraternity. And sixth one, what is the purpose of Article 14 of the Indian Constitution? The purpose is equality before the law. So coming to seventh one, fundamental rights are mentioned in which part of Constitution? C. Part 3. The fundamental rights are mentioned in the Constitution is in a part 3, because in the Constitution book there are some parts. In the third part particularly the fundamental rights have been mentioned. So coming to eighth question, what does the term democracy signify? Rule by the people, that was the signifies. And ninth question, which article of the Indian Constitution guarantee the right to equality? The Article 14 is the answer for this question. 10th one, judicial activism is related to judges taking an active role in protecting rights. Judges are taking a very crucial role to protect the rights. And also another question, the idea of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution was borrowed from the US Constitution. There are so many of countries. Basically I thought this is 4 options only. So from US, British, French and Irish, and the answer is the US Constitution. And the 12th one, the directive principles of state policy are found in part 4. And 13th one, so 13th one is what is constitutional morality? Respect for laws and values in the Constitution. 14th question, what does the secularism ensure in India? Equal treatment of all religions. 15th one, who was the first president of India? D. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. The term liberty in the preamble refers to freedom to do anything. Option D, freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship is the answer for question 16th. 17th one, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Everyone knows this answer is called Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 18th one, Article 19 guarantees. Article 19 guarantees that freedom of speech and expression. 19th one, the preamble begins with which words? The preamble begins with the people of India, we the people of India. And the 20th question is, the Indian Constitution was influenced by which constitution of the parliamentary system? British. Option B. 21st question, who played a key role in unifying a princely states? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the answer for this question. 22nd question, which article is referred to as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Article 32 is set as the heart and soul of the Constitution. Article 32, the fundamental duties are listed in part 4A. And coming to next question, Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. 25th question. When was the Right to Information Act introduced? 2005 is the year where introduced the Right to Information Act. 26th question. Good governance emphasizes transparency, accountability, and public participation. 27. Which article mentions the right to education? Article 21A. And coming to 28th question. What does fraternity mean in the Preamble? Brotherhood and national unity. 29th. The Constitution of India is combination of rigid and flexible. And 13th question is, which country constitution inspired the idea of Directive Principles of state policy? The answer is A. Irish constitution. The another question is 31st. The Preamble declares India as sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic. Which article ensures the abolition of untouchability? So abolition of untouchability is Article 17, which is related to the untouchabilities. And 33rd question. The emergency provisions in the Indian Constitution are found in option A, part A. Okay, I don't know the explanation how to pronounce that numbers, just you can read that. And 34th question. The Constitution of India originally consists of how many articles? 395 are the articles. And also moving to another question. The idea of single citizenship in India was inspired by British Constitution. And this is what our 35 choose the correct answers, which is related to constitutional moral values. Subject is very helpful to every student, so attending the choose the correct answers in their examination. These are the top 35 choose the correct actions. Thank you so much for everybody. This is our channel, so subscribe it for more information. Thank you so much for watching this video.